Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by inspecting the hub and host so you avoid surprises. First, identify whether the hub is a USB-C multiport or Thunderbolt unit. That matters for bandwidth and charging. Once done, verify your laptop's USB-C port supports power delivery and data, because not all ports do both. Make sure the hub firmware is current and that you have a PD charger rated for your laptop's wattage. Now, position the hub close to the host to minimize cable strain and prepare peripherals. You now connect peripherals in a deliberate order to prevent power and bandwidth issues. First, plug the PD charger into the hub's power in port, and then connect the hub to your laptop so charging and data establish correctly. Next, attach high-bandwidth devices, external SSDs, monitors, Ethernet to their labeled ports, because misplacing them can throttle throughput. Use quality, shielded cables and avoid daisy-chaining cheap hubs. That reduces interference and preserves performance. Finally, check system preferences for new devices and allow any driver prompts. You finish by verifying every connection and resolving common hiccups. Confirm external displays run at the expected resolution and refresh rate, and make sure USB drives mount and Ethernet negotiates proper speed. If the laptop isn't charging, reseat the PD cable and confirm charger wattage. If a device isn't recognized, unplug and reconnect that port. As a single troubleshooting tip, reboot the host, try a different high-quality cable, and test the hub on another computer to isolate whether the hub, cable, or host is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.